An apology is overdue. I, Mahoba Fabulous, want to deeply apologize to the people of Somalia. I've humiliated and embarrassed you, and I feel very, very bad about everything I've said about Somalis. You see, Somalis are perfect people, most perfect society in the world. Honestly, no words can describe. Sorry, I just get it. I just feel so terrible. I feel so terrible that I've said those things about Somalis. You guys are just so perfect, and I had the audacity to say anything negative about you. Today, I ask for your forgiveness, that you forgive me and condone everything I've said about the Somali people. I truly love Somalis, and no words can describe how regretful I feel at this moment. And I'm asking for your forgiveness, because I have no right to say anything negative about I'm sorry, I get very emotional because I've made up so many horrible stuff about the Somali people. And you guys have right to call me bitch, whore, slut, mentally challenged, crazy woman. You see, you don't deserve to have a Somali woman on the internet talking about Somali issues. And I know it's very shameful in our culture to talk about our issues publicly. I have no right to publicize our dirty laundry to the whole world. And I feel so bad right now that I've done those things. I can't take it back. Everybody knows how shitty my videos are, and everything I've said about Sauls isn't true. I'm sorry. So please forgive me. I should never post any of those videos on YouTube saying negative things. We all know how perfect Somalis are. I don't know where this shitty Mahobasville came from. I love Somalis and I'm Somali. And I love my country. Oh my god, I feel so terrible. I feel so terrible. How could I make up such horrendous stuff about such wonderful, perfect society? I'm sorry. I know you can have a Somali girl on the internet making videos like what kind of Somali woman does that. It's so embarrassing. I'm such an embarrassment. I'm sorry I humiliated you. I wish I never made any of those videos, and I will never make any more videos. I'm leaving YouTube. I'm done with YouTube for good. Never. Because I don't know how I will do the damage I've done, but please, please forgive me. I love you. Punk, you got punk. Gamoba, it's your birthday. Not really, but so what? So what? So what? Every day is Mahoba's day. Love from Mahobasville. No, I don't feel sorry about anything I say, and I stand by everything I say, because you know what? Everything I say is so true. And I don't say it out of hate, like to despise some other people. It's the truth. And I just want you to realize your mistakes and correct your ways. So tough love. Tough love. Tough love. Adios, darlings. I love you. Stay hot and fabulous. You just got punked by Mahoba. Fabulous. And this video was inspired by my fabulous nephew. Thank you for giving me the idea, honey. I love you. Get well soon.